my good people of Nigerian, you are welcome to another question day. And we know we are the Nigerians and we need to know what is going on in our countries. Our government will not tell us, our president will not tell us, we tell ourselves. We need to know what is really going on in our country. We that will know and we tell ourselves what is going on. And the first question we're having now is Chipokoro the drunkard.
Hey.
Chipokoro the drunkard. Good morning.
My dear, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. Chipokoro, we have a question for you.
Yeah. Not me.
Okay, what will you say about the open grace of Nigeria?
Nigeria open grace. It has already become a sickness. Let me tell you, there is no importance for open grace because we are seeing a car as our president. Even the president of Nigeria, we can't see him. Why? No water, no food, no job, not even a good road. And they are talking about open grace. See, let me tell you, all those people in that government house, they are all just, they are a cow. The reason why I call them a cow because they don't do us well. Nigeria is a fair country. And let me, in fact, there is nothing like important of, there is too much important of open grace. Let them open the grace. I have already taken enough drunk and I need to go. If they want to see me, they know what.
Okay, Chipokoro, are you going?
No, I'm coming. I'm coming back to come and meet you. No. Even I'm going. This one is pushing me back. I'm going. I'm going for it.
Okay, as you can see, Nigerians, we can see what Chipokoro has just said. So, from his own point of view, you will see that he's not happy with Nigeria. But anyways, we'll get back to you guys for another question. Thank you.